versatile, grain hatter, and grain wagon, grain trailer, grain wagon, grain trailer, hatter, grain wagon, John Deere Flosser, hatter, and combine hatter, and another combine hatter, and a dip. Actually, yeah, air drill. And a dip. And hatter, and this, or that. A bin and a thing, and a John Deere.
Should we go to another page and see what you can spot?
Yes. A John Deere, a John Deere Gator, a John Deere sprayer. What is that thing? Is that a Peterbilt?
Is that? Let me see what the. It looks like it's the front of a Freightliner, actually, Mano. It's not a Peterbilt. See what else you can spot.
A John Deere.
Yeah, that's a John Deere sprayer.
And this is another John Deere sprayer. And this is another John Deere sprayer. And this is a John Deere combine.
Yeah.
And all this is John Deere.
Yeah, you're right, it is. Okay, oh, what do we got here?
New Holland and versatile. Versatile.
Yes, it is. You point out something else? What do we got here? What's that?
A Case IH baler.
A Case IH baler. Yeah. What's that?
A New Holland baler.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what else do we have. What kind of machine's that?
A telehandler.
Telehandler.
And this is a sprayer.
Yeah.
And this
And what do we got there?
silage mixer.
Silage.
And we got there grain trailers and a versatile right there. And that is a New Holland behind it. Now,
Is there a New Holland behind it? Oh, sure enough, there is.
It's just in the corner. And that is a Case IH baler.
Yeah.
That's a Case IH baler. And this is Case IH tractor.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
this,
what do we got here?
a New Holland behind.
Yeah.
And we got here a New Holland sprayer. It's like you, Dad.
Yeah.
What do we got here, Dad?
What kind of tractor do you think that is?
Case IH.
You're right.
And let's move to the next page. Look. Baler, truck, combine, tractor. Is it Case IH?
Yes, it is Case IH.
A Jeep?
No, a JCB.
JCB. Is our loader a JCB?
Ours is a Doosan. Our telehandler is a JCB.
And this is a John Deere.
Yes, it is.
And there is our bins.
Yeah.
And this is a baler. And this is a silage mix. Wow.
Okay, what do we got here?
Like,
What kind of tractor's that?
a versatile?
Yeah. And what kind of tractor's that going to be?
A New Holland?
Yeah. Oh, what do we got there?
A Mack?
No, not a Mack. What do you think that is?
A Freightliner?
No, you know that
A
one.
Mack?
No, it's
Is
not a.
it a Peterbilt?
That is a Peterbilt. Yes, it is. And what's this thing?
A disc?
Yeah, it's a Pro-Till.
Tortillo?
Yeah,
And this is a New Holland.
yeah.
And let's get this tractor.
Okay, what is it?
A John Deere.
Yeah.
And that one is a Case IH.
Yeah, it is.
And these are Case IH. And these are
Oh, what do we got there? There's something we haven't looked at.
a cloth.
Yes, that is a cloth. What do we got here?
A swather.
Yeah,
Is it a New Holland?
it is a New Holland swather. You're right.
Oh,
Let's see. We got any different equipment here?
is that a New Holland?
That is a New Holland.
What is that different name?
Well, that's gonna be a. That actually looks like it's a Flexicoil 5000, like the blue one, the P 2050. Is that what? Something like that.
Is that a swather?
That is a swather.
Do back go like those?
No, those are different than what we have.
They're Case IH.
They are Case IH, yeah. Hey, what's that tractor?
Case IH.
No, it's not Case IH. What's the other red and silver tractor?
It is. It's versatile.
No, not Versatile.
It is.
You give it a try? What's red and silver?
It is. Case IH.
No, that's not Case IH. What about like Daddy's Swather?
It is a Massey.
It's a Massey. Yeah.
It's a Massey.
It's a Massey. Yes, it is.
Is that a Case IH?
That is a Case IH.
And that is a John Deere.
Yeah.
And what else? And what is that, Daddy?
Yeah, that's just some prototype thing.
John Deere. A New Holland sprayer. A New Holland sprayer. And we're mother. New Holland sprayer. New Holland Forester. New Holland Combine. New Holland Combine. New Holland Combine. New Holland Tractor.
Yeah. I think we've already gone through everything on this page.
John Deere Combine. And Massey.
Yes, that is Massey.
And what else? Is that it?
What kind of tractors are those?
New Holland.
You bet.
And what is the truck now?
That's a Volvo.
A Volvo?
Yeah, that's
It's a Volvo like my toy is a Volvo.
Yes, you do have a toy Volvo.
It is.
Oh, do you remember that one?
I don't.
You don't. The silver combines?
Mm-hmm.
They're a Gleaner.
They're Gleaner?
Yeah.
We don't got a Gleaner.
No.
We. Wow. Dad, I'm gonna get the truck first.
Okay.
What is that truck name?
Which one?
That one.
Yellow one? That's a Freightliner.
A Freightliner. And this is a Mack?
That is a Mack. Yeah, you got it right. You got that one right. And then what's that one?
A Peter.
Peterbilt. Yeah, you're pretty good at this, buddy.
And this is another Peter.
That is another Peterbilt. Yes,
And
it is.
this is another Peterbilt.
Yes, it is.
And is this a Peterbilt?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
And
Let's
what is that?
go on. This is getting long. Maybe we can.
What? Is that a Ford?
Yes, that is a Ford. That is a Ford.
That's a Massey. Or a McCormick. Is that a Massey?
It's a Massey, not a McCormick. That's a Massey. You were right the first time.
Oh. We already went through here.
Yeah. Well, maybe we're all done. What do you figure, buddy?
Figure. We aren't done.
We aren't done?
We got last page.
Okay. Well, what do we got here?
Bin.
Grain bins?
And KKA.
Okay, so, yeah.
And then is on the front of it means it's a New Holland. Again.